In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for booking appointments. If you want a simple way to let clients, customers, or teammates book time with you, Google Calendar has a built-in appointment scheduling feature that makes the process much easier. Instead of going back and forth trying to find a time that works, you can set your availability once and then share a booking page link so others can choose a time based on the schedule you provide. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This feature is easiest to set up from the desktop version, so make sure you're using a computer rather than a mobile device. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the Create button, which is usually located toward the upper left area of the screen. Click Create, and from the available options, choose Appointment Schedule. This opens the scheduling setup where you can define the details of the appointments people will be able to book with you. The first thing to set is the title. Choose a clear and professional title so anyone visiting your booking page understands exactly what the appointment is for. For example, you might use something like consultation, meeting, or support call, depending on your needs. Next, set the time length for each appointment. This determines how long each booking will last, so think carefully about how much time you usually need for that type of meeting. If your conversations are brief, a shorter time block may work well. If you typically need more time, choose a longer duration so your calendar stays realistic and manageable. After that, set your open hours. This is where you define when you're available for bookings. Be intentional here, because these hours control what times appear on your public booking page. It's a good idea to choose time windows that fit comfortably into your routine, and to leave yourself enough room before or after meetings if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Google Calendar will then create your appointment schedule, along with a public booking page link. This link is what you can share with clients or anyone else who needs to schedule time with you. When they open it, they'll be able to see your available time slots and book an appointment directly without needing to contact you first to coordinate. That's all it takes to start using Google Calendar for appointment booking. It's a clean, efficient way to streamline scheduling and keep your availability organized in one place. Once your booking page is live, you can share it anywhere you normally communicate, making it much easier for others to book time with you.